G'day boys. So today we looked at multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers in class. Now, obviously this is something that we're not haven't done a lot of work on just yet, but ideally it's just a little bit of an extension activity and to help you more so for your problem solving in your test next week. So let's start with a sort of a simple one, I suppose, to see how we go. Let's try 26 multiplied by 13. Now we know we've already learnt the partial product strategy, and we know that the best way to multiply numbers when they're large like this and we can't do them off the top of our head is to break them up into parts. So if we were to break the 26 into parts, we know that we've got 20, well, two tens, so 20 in that column, we've got 6 ones. If we were to break the 13 up, we've got 1 10, which would be 10, and 3 ones. Now, in terms of multiplying these numbers together, the best way to do it is to set it out just like our partial product strategy. I might just move that. Alright, so we draw our box as we've done in class. And this time, because we're multiplying by two-digit numbers, we need to draw our box like a 4. We put our 26 on one side, so 20 there, 6 here, and we'll put our 13 on the other. So 10 and 3. Now once again we've got our multiplication sums that we can do to solve our final equation. So we go 20 times 10 first, then we've got 6 times 10, we then over here have 20 times 3 and 6 times 3. Okay, so now we've got 4 simple multiplication sums that we can work with. Let's start with the first one, 20 times 10. Now we know 2 times 1 is 2. Now we're working with tens, so there's 2 zeros there, so we add them on the end. 20 times 10 is 200. We've got 6 times 10, we know 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, working with tens once again, so we've got 60. 20 times 3, once again, is 60. And our final sum, 6 times 3, is 18. Now we know with our partial product strategy, the best way to solve our final equation is to add them all together. So we've got 4 numbers now that we can add that are fairly straightforward to do so. So we do that over to the side. 200, 60, 60, and 18. We add them together. 8 plus nothing is obviously 8. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. We carry our 1 over here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we now know 26 times 13 equals 338. Perfect. Hopefully that solves that equation.